Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-HC28 Stereo radio music system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If this stereo is not connecting to something, or if the buttons on it are not responding, or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to wipe all of the data off of it and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, this will do that, and it's very easy to do. All we need to do is come over and unplug the AC cord from the wall, and then just let it sit for at least 3 minutes. After we've let it sit for 3 minutes, we're going to come in and find the power button and just press and hold the power button while we restore power. Basically plug the stereo back into the wall. And then just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, and eventually, if this works right, you should just get a bunch of dashes come across the display here. And once you get all these dashes, you can go ahead and let go of the power button, and this device will have been reset back to its out-of-the-box factory preset settings.